All right, so we're going to go ahead and do CAD 26, the shaft support, and this one's going to be a three-parter. And we're going to make sure we use our centers and build off our centers the way that we're supposed to. So I'll show you what I mean. This one's metric, so we change to metric, standard millimeter. All right, we're going to draw the base first. Now, we want to do from the top, okay? So you remember your thing over here, right? Top. That'll be this one. Now, if you'll notice, it comes in sideways. So use this arrow and flip it up so it's correctly oriented. Now, we're going to start with circle in the middle. We're going to circle on the side. Circle on the other side. Okay? And circle in the middle of that. Circle in the middle of that. And there we go. Now, on our lines, just put one right there. And then we're going to create a line here this way, and then create another line here this way. Okay, so I got these two lines, one here, circle, 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 circle. Now, let's tangent this bad boy. All right. There. Well, let me just do it the other way too, since I drew those separate. Change it there, change it there. And mirror that one across there as well. I'm having trouble finding stuff smaller. There we go. All right, so that's our basic setup. Now, let's get our dimensions in. That's going to be 50. That made things smaller, didn't it? That'll be 100. Radius, right? It's a dimension type, radius. 40. Radius, 22. Radius on this one, also 22. And this one is a diameter of 15. And this one is a diameter of 15. All right, so we got everything going there. Now, I want it back on the center dot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the origin, okay? Correct or project geometry, center point. So there I've got a center point. And there's the center of the thing. So I'll just hold control and pick everything else. I don't want to move. Move. Pick point. Yes. And move it to the center. All right, now you can erase that line. And we'll go ahead and trim out. And there's our basic shape, right? So we'll finish that sketch, and there we go. Now we want to extrude that straight up, and we want to go 18 millimeters. All right, so there's that. Now, check this out. See that plane right there? The XZ, or the YZ plane? Yeah. That's the plane we're going to use next, okay? So we're going to go ahead and pick, and that gets us right down the center of it. F7. Well, there we go, F7. We'll split it in half, okay? We're just going to draw two circles. That one's 46, and that one is 30. And now we'll dimension from the bottom to there. Oop, not 87, 57. Where's the 58? 58. 58 from bottom to center of the circle. Now, 3D model, extrude. Okay. We're going to do symmetric, and it's supposed to be 40. And we'll just pick that. Okay. So there we go. So now all we need is the piece that connects the two. So we'll go back to that YZ plane, new sketch, and hit F7 again. Now, I'm going to draw a line there. Now I'm going to offset 67 divided by 2. There you go. And do the same thing this way. 67 divided by 2. Project this. Try to get the whole line to project, if it will. Sometimes it won't. So if it does that, draw your line in. And if you see any yellow peeking out, get rid of it. Because if you don't, okay, and then we'll project the outside circle here. And now we're going to do a line from that intersection and come up. Get as close as you can, and then tangent. And there you go. Trim that off. It did the thing. And it made my line crooked. So let's back up. There we go. Let's try this again. There we go. There we go. And you see what I did was I locked that one in place. You can use the lock button and then pick on what you want to lock, and it locks it in place. Now we've got this line in the middle, so we'll just mirror. Pick this, pick mirror line, pick that, hit apply. And we've got our two. Now we can trim here. We can delete this and this. And finish. All right. Extrude, and it's going to make me pick both, but let's make that 18 first. Since I didn't erase that line in the middle, there we go. Hit OK. And there you have it. All right. So that's all there is to that one. Let's go ahead and rename it. Shaft support. Update. Remember, all your mass and centers of gravity are right there. All right, and we'll save that. It's CAD 26. And export it. CAD 26. All right, that's got that one. I will see you for CAD 27 next.